How to sign up Trust Wallet account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a Trust Wallet account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you will need to do is make sure that you've installed the Trust Wallet app. If you don't have it, you can easily download this from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you've downloaded that, simply open Trust Wallet up and you should be faced with this interface. Now, initially you will have these two options, that is create a wallet and add existing wallet. Now, since this video is for creating a new account, we'll simply head over to create new wallet. Now what you'll need to do is just create a passcode. So I'll just create a simple passcode, and after you do that, you will need to confirm your passcode. After you do that, you will need to create a new wallet by choosing one of these two. Now you can use your secret phrase, which you can copy to your note and use it when you want to log in again to your account. The other is a Swift beta version, so we'll not go with the beta version. We will go with the secret phrase. So tap on create secret phrase, and you can even manually back this up, or you can upload it to your iCloud. I'll just skip this process. Now what you'll need to do is, you have basically created your Trust Wallet account. Now you can do whatever you want here. So you can browse here, you can just check this out, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.